You done racing or something?
We're on a rally.
Oh, good.
We started in Park City and went to North.
Just on supercars?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, so we're up here in Aspen for the Bugatti rally. We've been here all day, and they're finally starting to show up. So these are 3 and 4 out of supposedly 21. So yeah. Orange Pur Sport. Oh shit, there's like 7 of them. Holy shit. Dude. Got a Veyron. And then a bunch of Pur Sports. Fuck it, I'm gonna run. I'm leaping. We got a Super Sport, Pur Sport. That's crazy. Damn. Where are you going? Alright, so for this part of the lineup, we have a black Super Sport. It's really, really wet, so yeah. Black Super Sport. We got a white Pur Sport. We have the Type 57, I guess, homage Super Sport. Just freaking nuts. And then yellow and orange Pur Sports. Looks like this Pur Sport might be moving. So we'll get this started. Yeah, this lineup is freaking insane. Now we got another Super Sport, another Pur Sport, the Divo. Ooh. Dude, it's the Divo. Oh, yes. Super Sport, Pur Sport, freaking Divo. Don't fucking Divo. Chiron, Veyron. Dude. This is nuts, man. Holy crap, even by my standards, this is nuts. Alright, let's go look at this Divo up close. Here's the other Super Sport. Here's the Pur Sport. Dude. Holy shit. God. This is freaking wild. That's hilarious. Another Super Sport just showed up, the green one. Jeez. Ooh, that is tasty. Dude. Yes. Ah, I missed the Divo. Dang it.
I'm sorry.
All right.
Yeah, they'll be
In there. Yep. Well, I think that last silver one was the final car, so that's all of them. It is really stormy here in Aspen, but yeah, that was pretty freaking crazy. So yep, that was the Bugatti North America Grand Tour lineup 2023. See ya.